Okay, sir. Sir, first of all, thank you for everything you have done for us. And I'm into financial markets. It's been 2 years.
Hmm.
सर पहले मैं लाइक मैं वो ब्रेकआउट ट्रेडिंग देन
Yeah.
ट्रेंड लाइन ट्रेडिंग ये सब करता था लाइक मी एंड मोंदीप
Hmm.
we started actually together.
Hmm.
So I consider myself very lucky
Hmm.
to know you so early, and still I have to learn so many things. And when I came to know about CTF,
Hmm.
then like I just unlearned so many things and started learning new things and applying the LCTR methods.
Hmm.
So I'm so confident, like I can talk to market like my friend now.
Yeah.
And I would suggest to everyone to change their life. And like thank you for everything. And again, I would like to thank my brother Bondip, who introduced me to you. And so now I can proudly say I have two mentors for my life. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Great.
you.
Great to hear that. Nice. Nice. All right. So, Tanmay is saying that he was. Tanmay, are you done speaking, or you want me to wait? Okay, fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're done. You have said your piece. All right. All right. So yeah, Tanmay's experience is that he is now able to speak with the markets. All right. And that is the experience that many people have shared with me. That is the experience that I had when I uh, first started realizing these things. This is the experience I had, that you can actually speak with the market like a real person, right? And it does not happen for everyone, by the way. Uh, it depends on how your mind works also, but you'll be able to understand the markets, but like speaking with the markets is a totally different experience. So uh, keep at it. I will say that if you just keep at it, you will also get come to a day where you will be able to speak with the market like a friend. All right. Great. Thanks for sharing that, Tanmay. Who's going next?